Hello everyone, it's Camille from ChessZero. Welcome, and we're gonna play today 3 minutes game. Okay, so my opponent played d4, I played d5, c4, all natural. I doesn't know even rating of my opponent. At the moment, it's all book moves, nothing surprising here at the moment. We develop pieces, and now we do the castle. My opponent castle as well. I'm gonna play knight to d7, which is another developing move. So my opponent now, I think that's not good move. He shouldn't push that pawn here. And now I have to use that. So I'm gonna play queen to c7 to attacking the center square. And I push my pawn here. So after any trades, this pawn gonna be weak. So my opponent has to be careful about attacking two pieces from that square. He's lower time at the moment. Ooh, that's terrible move. So I can take piece for free and attacking two pieces. I'm winning at the moment. His queen attacking my knight. So I'm gonna come back to the safer square. That's another weak move. His king doesn't have defense now. It's very easy to attacking. I'm gonna take that pawn. He was taken. I move my knight to the center. Just look what he's attacking. I develop at the moment and hold the position, but just do not rush. Do the slow progress, step by step. And that has to be winning. That's another weak move. We're gonna take rook. And we're gonna take it. Oh, and that's the stage we have to be careful because of my opponent wanted to give me checkmate on the one move. So I'm gonna push my pawn here and block that diagonal. Take pawn. He want to push this pawn, but my bishop is on time. I'm gonna move my rook here. And I'm gonna attacking his queen. And also takes. Maybe first I'm gonna give him check. And take another piece. And take that piece. I'm gonna give him check. I can trade and he's winning, but we're gonna try find the better way. I'm gonna move rook here. My opponent doesn't have many moves to do it, so I'm gonna give him check. And I'm gonna take that knight. He can only give one check here, but my king is safe here. That square. And I'm gonna give him checkmate soon. So I can give him check. And next move gonna be checkmate. That's such a good game, I think. Okay, so thank you for watching.